Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to handle word problems. We told that a slaughterhouse bought a number of goats at 2,000 Kenya shillings each and a number of bulls at 15,000 Kenya shillings each. They paid a total of 190,000 Kenya shillings. If they bought twice as many goats and 3 bulls less, they would have saved 5,000 Kenya shillings. Find the number of each type of animals bought. So we're going to let the goats to be X, then the bulls to be Y. Now, if we are buying X goats at 2,000 each, we will say 2,000 multiplied by X. Then we add 15,000 to purchase Y bulls, and this is going to consume 190,000 Kenya shillings. Then again, we are having, if they bought twice as many goats, so 2,000 times twice as many goats. If they were X, now 2X plus 15,000 at Y minus 3, because we are told 3 bulls less. This will give us, they would have saved 5,000. So 190,000 and we subtract 5,000. This is going to give us 185,000. So now we got two simultaneous equations which have to be solved. So we're going to have the first one, 2,000x plus 15,000y equals to 190,000. Then the second equation, this becomes 4,000x plus 15,000y minus 45,000. Yeah, this is equal to 185,000. So now I should simplify the second equation more to have 4,000x plus 15,000y equals to, when the 45 is taken to the other side, it becomes an addition, 230,000. This becomes now my second equation. So I can solve them simultaneously. I can transfer the first equation to this point, whereby we'll have 2,000x plus 15,000y equals to 190,000. So now, for me to solve simultaneously, I can prefer the elimination method, whereby, because the coefficients of y are already the same, then I eliminate y by subtracting the corresponding values, the corresponding terms for these two equations. So I will have 4,000 minus 2,000 to give me 2,000x equals to, because 15,000y minus 15,000y cancels to 0, 230,000 minus 190,000 is going to give me 40,000. So with 40,000 now, to remain with the value of x, I need to divide by 2,000 all through. So when I divide by 2,000, I'm going to get 20 shillings. Now, after getting 20 shillings, because I have obtained the value of x, now I will need to substitute the 20 as x in the first equation for me to obtain the value of y. So 20,000, 20 times 20. Then now we add the known 15,000 into y. We're supposed to get 190, that is 1,000. So this is going to be, when we multiply by 2k, going to have 40,000 and we subtract them from 190,000, we're going to get 15,000y equals to, this should be 15,000, sorry, 15,000y equals to, when we subtracted this side, we're going to have 150,000. So the value of y is going to be 10. The value of y is going to be 10. So we have a goat going at 20 and a bull going at 10. Then finally we are told, sorry, remember these are not the costs, these are the number. So these are the number of goats, x, the goats purchased. These are the bulls purchased. The number of bulls at 15,000 each. The number of goats, which are 20, at 2,000 each. Finally, the slaughterhouse sold all the animals at a profit of 20% per goat. So 20% per goat means 125% of the price of a goat, which is 2,000. So 125 multiplied by 2,000 divided by 100. This gives me 2,500 as the price of a goat. We're also going to have the price of a bull, 30%. So 130% of the price of a bull, which is 15,000. So a bull is going at 130 multiplied by 15,000 divided by 100. And a bull is going at 19,500. Determine the total profit they made. So the total profit is going to be 25,000. We first of all multiply with the number of goats, then we add 195 we multiply with the number of bulls to get the selling price. This is going to be the selling price of these animals. 2500 by 20 goats plus 19500 by 10. This is going to give us 245,000 Kenya shillings. So the selling price of everything is 245,000 Kenya shillings. So now profit is going to be the selling price minus the buying price, 245,000. We subtract 190. Subtract 190. So the profit made is going to be 190,000. We subtract it from this figure and we're going to get 55 shillings as the total profits made.